For this tutorial, we are going to assume you are using a PC or laptop and already have the completely free MetaMask wallet installed on your browser. Configure your MetaMask to connect to the Polygon mainnet. You can do this by going to the Network Selection drop-down, top left, and selecting Polygon mainnet. Open MetaMask, scroll down and click on Import Tokens. Then select the Custom Token tab. Copy the MAMAI contract address from CoinGecko, Twitter, or the MammothAI homepage. Fill it in and click Import Token. As MAMAI is built on the Polygon network, you'll need the native currency Matic to buy it. Purchase Matic from a cryptocurrency exchange of your choice. Once you have bought Matic, you will need to send it to your MetaMask wallet address. Make sure to use the Polygon network when transferring to avoid extra fees. Go to the MammothAI.io website and use the QuickSwap link provided to navigate to the QuickSwap exchange. On the QuickSwap interface, connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button and selecting MetaMask and sign the transaction. Click through the checkboxes and QuickSwap will auto-populate the trade details. Now you're connected. Ensure you select V2 from the drop-down menu for the best liquidity options. Enter the amount of Matic you wish to swap for MAMAI. Check the swap details including the exchange rate, wallet addresses, slippage tolerance, and transaction fees. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction in QuickSwap and then confirm it again in MetaMask when prompted. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your MAMAI tokens will appear in your MetaMask wallet.